Cortana can do much more than answer questions and help with searches. Here's a quick setup guide and a quick summary about what it can do for you. First thing to know is that Cortana needs your permission to help. By default, Cortana doesn't listen to your commands. Click inside the search box and then open Settings. Check your mic to make sure Cortana can hear you by clicking on Check the microphone and follow the steps. Next, enable the Hey Cortana option. This will allow Cortana to respond when you say Hey Cortana. You can also have Cortana respond when your device is locked. Just turn this option on. Here you can also enable Cortana to access your calendar, email, messages, and power data when your device is locked by ticking the box. You should also assist Cortana by choosing the proper language for your region. To go even further, use the other options and decide on features to enable within Permissions and History and Across My Devices, in which you can sync phone notifications and texts. Take advantage of Cortana's full potential by customizing many other features. Click on the search box and then click on the notebook icon. If necessary, you may need to sign in or sign in again. Now click the Manage Skills tab to access an array of customization options. Connect your accounts, apps, and other services to Cortana. Get more personalized experiences from the likes of LinkedIn, Skype, and Gmail. Link to your favorite music provider to listen to your favorite tunes. Control your home appliances from Cortana by linking to a provider such as Xbox, SmartThings, among others. Use Cortana to see which family members and friends you can create and share events with. Set up Cortana to be your personal secretary. Set reminders, make lists, and create tasks. Use the calendar to help organize your busy schedule, to get quick updates on what's next in your day. Let Cortana keep you abreast of whatever your interests are. Add topics to narrow your focus, and set up trackers for almost anything. From finance to travel, from sports to weather, and all the latest news. Whatever it is you want, Cortana can be set up to deliver almost anything. But remember, whenever you need help with your PC or have technical questions, you can always reach out to us through social media on Facebook or Twitter, or join in a chat on the Dell Community Forum. Be sure to check out our other helpful videos on this channel, and if you like this video, give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching!